Oops, I just knocked over your coffee, Emma. Regret my actions.
What? You regret your actions? Jack, are you a robot from a courtroom?
No, isn't that how you say sorry in English? Like, I regret my mistake and I offer my sincere apologies. Sounds polite, right?
It sounds like you're writing a letter to the Queen. We don't talk like that.
So, what do I say? Oopsie daisy?
Haha, no. Just say something simple, like, I'm so sorry, or my bad.
My bad? That sounds like I broke something on purpose.
Not at all. My bad just means it was your mistake. It's casual and friendly. Totally normal.
So I shouldn't say, I deeply regret my clumsy behavior?
Only if you're in a drama movie.
Okay, okay. Teach me the real way to say sorry then, and what to say if someone says sorry to me. I always get confused.
All right, Mr. Regret My Actions. Let's fix that today.
Okay, Emma, I'm ready. Today is Jack Says Sorry Day. I'm gonna practice all day.
Sounds like a challenge. Just don't break anything while you're at it.
No promises. So, what's the first test?
All right, imagine this. You bump into someone on the street. What do you say?
Excuse me, I regret disturbing your walking experience.
Jack,
Was that bad?
that was poetry. But not English people actually speak.
Okay, what should I say?
Just go with, oops, sorry, or sorry about that. Quick and natural.
All right, what if I step on someone's shoe?
You say, oh, I'm so sorry. Are you okay? You need to say it with adding a bit of care in your voice.
So, more emotion. Got it.
Yes. Now imagine this. You forgot your friend's birthday.
Yikes, that's serious.
Exactly. What do you say?
Dear friend, please accept my humble apologies.
That sounds like a medieval letter.
Okay, okay. Let me try again. I'm so sorry I missed your birthday. Totally my fault.
Perfect. Honest and simple. That's the sweet spot.
Nice. Next,
What will you say if you're late to a meeting?
sorry I'm late. Traffic was a nightmare.
Yes, or sorry for the delay.
Could I say, my bad?
You could, but that's more casual. Good for hanging out with friends, not for business.
Got it. My bad for pizza night, not PowerPoint day.
Exactly. Now, let's flip it. What if someone says sorry to you?
I say, it's all right, my child.
No, Gandalf. You say, no worries. It's okay. Or no problem.
No worries sounds cool and chill.
Very chill. You can also say, all good.
Like, sorry I took your last cookie.
All good. I didn't need the calories anyway.
That's a polite lie.
It's called kindness.
What about sorry? I forgot your name.
You can say, no worries. It happens. It's friendly and smooth.
I like this. Way better than sounding like a robot.
One more. If you're still upset, you can say, it's okay, but I was hurt.
So it's honest, but not rude.
Exactly. You're learning fast.
So, sorry, I'm so sorry, my bad, for casual. To reply, no worries, it's okay, all good.
And I owe you one if you really mess up.
Right, like if I crash your car,
Then you owe me 10 cars.
fair.
Useful phrases review. Okay, Jack, let's pause. We just used a lot of new words and phrases. Let's go through them one by one.
Sounds good. First one. My bad. What does that mean?
It means that was my mistake. Super casual, like if you forget to bring the drinks to a party.
Ah, so I say, oops, my bad. If I forget your birthday?
Only if you want me to still be mad at you. For birthdays, say, I'm really sorry I forgot.
Noted. What about no worries?
That's a nice way to say it's okay or don't worry about it. It makes people feel relaxed.
Like, sorry, I was late. And you say, no worries.
Exactly. You can also say, all good. Same meaning, very casual.
So, if I step on your foot, you might say, all good?
If you buy me chocolate after, yes.
Deal. Now, I owe you one?
That means I'll return the favor. Like, thanks for helping me move. I owe you one.
I'm adding that to my cool English list.
Another one is, I didn't mean to. It shows it was an accident. I didn't mean to interrupt, for example.
Or, I didn't mean to eat your entire cake.
Jack!
It was calling my name.
Okay, last one. Are you okay? Use this after small accidents. Shows you care.
So, if I spill water on someone, I say, "Oh no, I'm so sorry. Are you okay?"
Perfect. Add kindness, always. Now it's your turn. Write a sentence with sorry or no worries in the comments. We'll check them out.
Yeah, practice with us. For example, "Sorry, I'm late to the video. My bad."
That works. And if you enjoyed learning with us today, don't forget to hit the like button.
And subscribe so you don't miss more English lessons with mistakes, laughs, and real English.
Exactly. Thanks for watching, and remember, no worries. Keep learning.